Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools and gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're taking a close look at the best BLACK+DECKER impact driver 20 volts, the BLACK+DECKER 20 volts max * POWERCONNECT 1/4 in. Cordless impact driver kit, model BDCI20C. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and lightweight impact driver for all your DIY and home improvement projects, you're in the right place. Let's start with what makes this impact driver stand out. The BLACK+DECKER 20 volts max POWERCONNECT 1/4 in. Cordless impact driver is designed with comfort and performance in mind. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, which makes it easy to use for long periods without causing muscle fatigue. Whether you're tightening screws or driving long bolts through tough materials like knotty wood, metal, or even masonry, this impact driver can handle it all. The tool features a high-performance transmission that delivers up to 1,375 inch-pounds of maximum torque, 3,000 RPM, and 3,900 impacts per minute. This combination of speed and power is ideal for driving screws and other fasteners efficiently, ensuring you get the job done quickly and with minimal effort. The quick-release 1/4 inch hex chuck allows for fast and easy bit changes, so you can move from task to task without wasting any time. Another great feature is the soft touch grip. It's designed to reduce fatigue during prolonged use, providing a more comfortable experience while you work. Plus, the POWERCONNECT battery system makes it easy to swap out batteries between different BLACK+DECKER tools, meaning you only need one battery to power multiple tools, saving you both money and space in your toolbox. Included in the kit is the BDCI202 impact driver, a 20 volts max POWERCONNECT battery, a charger, and a screwdriving bit, so you have everything you need to start working right out of the box. With over 5,000 positive reviews, this tool is highly recommended by users for its reliability and ease of use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned pro, the BLACK+DECKER 20 volts max POWERCONNECT 1/4 in. Cordless impact driver kit is a fantastic addition to your toolkit. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed product reviews from Product Critique.